Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's World, and surprise surprise, I am here in Coimbatore. Coimbatore Kawasaki it is. Sab log Sunday ride, morning ride, they just escaped from their home. I've come all the way to Coimbatore to explore a new place called Anakatti, and we are taking two of the mean machines from Kawasaki, the Ninja 1000 as well as the Z900. So join us on this one kick-ass vlog. It's gonna be one happy Sunday. So, Mr. Surya, already in Hyderabad I have a best friend called Surya, almost like a brother. So, inge innor brother kadcharche. So, nice meeting you Surya. Thank you for the warm welcome. ஒரு தம்பியை வந்து பார்த்த மாதிரி இருக்குது அண்ட் ஆக்சுவல் ரைட் இப்போ தான் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆக போகுது. ஸோ எங்கே போகிறோம் அண்ட் வேர் ஆர் வி ஹெடட்? இட்ஸ் அ ஸ்பெஷல் பிளேஸ் இஸ் வாட் தி டெல் மீ.
பிளேஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப சர்ப்ரைஸாக தான் இருக்கும்.
ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் see. So really excited for this new place. So let's hope we hit the road, enjoy this Sunday. This Sunday is going to be pure fun day. I never ever let go of a chance to take this beast out for a spin. So today is yet another day where we embark on another epic journey, and you guys tag along for one hell of a ride as we blast across the streets of Coimbatore. Kovai Gettu, Kovai Gettu. So the lion is awake. The Lion King is what I call this. It's in rain mode for now. I think it's in road now. Let's keep it in road and then switch to sport. So quiet and it looks so massive. Nice comfortable saddle, LED headlamps, wind protection, and honestly I personally love this machine because I like to tour a lot, and this is like the perfect package in terms of comfort. You have the adjustable suspension, a remote adjuster here, massive tires, the side mounted exhaust. Feels absolutely worth every penny. You get almost all the electronics from the 10R as it is on this one, and that's what makes this an ultra premium kind of ultra supreme value for money machine. And then you also have the super naked, the Z900, that's Deepak on the mean machine. Oh, semayana color pa. I love this matte black and red this thing. Seat feels a little taller. I think they have adjusted the setting, but anyway, saddle comfort is ultimate. Woo! Wow, it's like a jet fighter taking off. Yeah, it started raining now. Starting to rain. Just hope we don't get more rain as we draw closer to the destination where we are headed. Let's hope for that. I'm told the cops here are extremely strict, so gotta behave yourself. That's good to be strict, such that you can avoid people squidding around. Woohoo! Lovely piece of engineering, this thing. Wow, beautiful view. I think that's where we are headed, is what he's trying to say. Anaikatti. So Anaikatti is where we are headed. That's the mountain that you can see. Doesn't stop. So here in Coimbatore, layer tea is very famous. Enna Thambi?
Deepan layer tea. So first layer boost, second layer Horlicks, last layer tea.
Okay.
மூணு ஃப்ளேவரையும் நம்ம சாப்பிட போறோம்.
இங்க டீ குடிக்க மாட்டோம், நாங்க சாப்பிடுவோம். So let's try and taste this. எப்படி தான் இருக்கு பார்ப்போம். Very refreshing, especially for this weather. It's raining. It's not just drizzling, it started raining actually. Hopefully it stops. What do you say, Deepan? Deepan says you can also enter Kerala from here, so on the other side of the mountain, I guess. These people are blessed. I mean, they can come and drench themselves in nature at will. Oh, beautiful. Just taking my breath away. RS 200 right over there. Roads are getting better. So is the view. The stability of this bike, the refinement, creamy refinement, and the creamy quick shifters, should I say, is just brilliant. And so is the front suspension and the front brakes. Holy, my God, what a place. I think I'm gonna come again here very soon. Sooner than I myself can expect, because one day is not going to be sufficient, I guess. Hopefully the weather holds up. Please don't rain. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Oh wow, what a day actually. What an experience. What a feeling. Trees all around. Feel like nature is hugging you. Feel the embrace of the nature. Feel the grace of the nature. Wow, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Really slippery road, so kind of extra cautious. Challenging conditions. But the greenery around is just breathtaking. Ingeya Nadia photo. Sure. Oh ho 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 ho. What a lovely experience. An unforgettable experience. Just look at the greenery. It's just the drenched, glorious splendor of Mother Nature. These are the situations where traction control really comes in handy. So let's try and put this into rain. Yeah, it's in rain mode now, thank God. Earlier we were in road, then we also have sport. You can watch my detailed first ride review to know the high speed stability, the specs, the features. This is not a review. This is just getting away, having fun with the green beast. a date with the green beast. Yes. What a view, man. Taking a picture here. What a moment. What a lovely moment. Stunning. Oh, that's a huge pothole right there. Thankfully, these are things that can spell doom in such kind of a joyride. You're immersed in nature. You just are in a different mood altogether, a different dimension altogether, and suddenly a pothole takes you by surprise, and that's when fatal accidents happen. So it's always better to keep a check on your speed, no matter what people have to say. Rainy, slippery conditions, and single lane road, narrow road, lot of curves and turns. Better not to test your luck or push your luck. So this is border, huh? Kerala border, huh? Kerala border, huh? Oh. Huh? Okay. Kind of beautiful weather, and it's a beautiful view. Next level. బాబా ఈ వ్యూ చూడండి. ఇక్కడ ఇంకో ఫోటో దిగాలి. కానీ ఈ వ్లాగ్ మీరు ఎంజాయ్ చేసినట్లయితే లైక్ చేసి, షేర్ చేసి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. మరొక వీడియోలో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అప్పటివరకు టేక్ కేర్, గాడ్ బ్లెస్ అండ్ రైట్ సేఫ్.